Okay guys, so today magpapalit tayo ng rubber seal ng Samsung washing machine namin. So matanda na to, luma na. So last January or December, pinalta ko yung bearing. Tapos after that may nakita kaming patak-patak ng tubig. Tapos ngayon lumakas na lumakas. So kailangan ng palitan. Alam ko may to meron siyang rip or may punit siguro. Luma na yung rubber niya, yung original. So ito papalitan natin. So first step, usog natin yung washing machine dito forward para matanggal natin yung dalawang screws na humahawak ng top cover. We can slide the top cover, take it off. Now take this off. There you go. Pop this up. I do hands. It's off. Now we need to disconnect. Remove 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. Screws are off. I popped up. I need to remove 1, 2, 3 screws. Remove the spring. I call this a spring that holds the rubber seal from the outside. And I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver. Okay, it's off. Whoa, this is my temporary fix. Okay, now this is ready to come off. You don't pull this out. Okay, move this. And this is my temporary fix. A few months ago, I sprayed it with Flex Seal. Obviously, it's not working now. So we need to disconnect. Hoses 1, 2, 3. It's off. The leak is coming from this side right here. That's why I sprayed with Flex Seal. Now we need to remove this. Easier. Huh. Now we can take this off. There we go. Old one. This is the new rubber seal. Goes over this. Okay. This is our guide. We got the lip, and this should match this. I think ito yung pinakamahirap dito sa repair, yung pagkabit ng rubber boot. No, kasi kailangan siguraduhin mo na nakalapat talaga bago natin siya i-lock. So ginamitan ko nito, sinot ko siya dito para naka-align siya, para hindi gumagalaw. No, kailangan mong tanggalin yan kasi ilalagay na natin yung yung locking mechanism niya. Sara na natin. Just gonna do the reverse. So it needs to be on this side. Okay. Naayos ko na. Ay, nako. So, make sure na naluwagan nyo to. So, pag lumuwag to, sumisikip. Ibig sabihin, magkalayo siya. Pagka mas malapit, maluwag. Baliktad siya. So, akala ko hindi ko masisil pero once na humigpit na siya, nawala na yung alambre. So, ibig sabihin, talaga seal. Tapos, batak-batakin nyo. Make sure na walang gap. Yan. And now, at this point, babalik lang natin siya sa dati. So, ganun lang pala. So, ang pinakamahirap nga yung pagkabit ng mismo ng rubber boot kasi make sure na nakasaksak maigi. No? Huwag kang complacent, maging complacent na mag-assume ka na na siya, naka-fit na. Make sure na lapat na lapat. So, babalik lang natin all together, kabit hose, and saray harap. So, first time kong mag-ayos ng ganito na magpalit ng rubber boot. As long as merong paggagayan sa YouTube videos katulad nito, kaya niya rin yan. So, with that, tatapusin ko na yung video na to. See you next time. Bye.